Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know the audio quality might be a little different because my mic and not my mic is absolutely fine. These two adapters have stopped working, and I recorded two videos, the grand finale of the opening series and on Lee Chess rating push, but I had to scrap both of them, and I decided, okay, fine, I'll make a video with the desktop audio which I'm having. I hope the audio is working fine. It is not too disturbing with the fan audio. Please bear with me for a couple of days. I'll try to fix this issue. And for now, let us get right into the video. I didn't tell you what we are going to do today. We'll play on leeches. Okay, we'll play on leeches. I'll play a couple of leech games and I'll analyze as we go. Let's get right into it. Alright, so now I am in Leeches. I have logged in my Leeches account and I recorded one video as they said, one Leeches rating push video. And I played one game and I increased some rating points. Let me go ahead to my profile and show you. I played one game recently, one win you can see today, and my rating is 2095. So let us go ahead and play some blitz games. 3 plus 2, I like to play 3 plus 2. We'll have some increment as well. I will try to speak continuously so that you don't need to listen to the fan audio. I'm playing is 2183 and read Bagas, some opponent. Let us go and let us see e4. I'll play d5. If he takes, I can play knight to f6, and next I can take the pawn on d5. If he plays knight f3, bishop to f5. Normal development for now. Next I will just play e6, then maybe c5. c5 break in the center. If he takes, I will take back. Also he played c4. Then I'll take the queen. I'll simply exchange the queens. Why not? Okay, knight to c6, very nice. Again, if he takes, I'll take the queen. What? d5. Okay, interesting. Okay, he'll take back. So he's having a pawn on the fifth rank now. Oh my god, I think I messed up a little bit. Okay, knight to b8, only choice now. I think I messed up a little bit. Let's hope I can win this game. I don't want to lose. Starting off not with a very great start. Bishop d6, I'll stop this pawn. Now I'll go knight d7. Rook e1 check is possible. Let's go king f8. Weird game, I know, weird game. I'm not playing at my full potential. Knight to h4, okay. If he takes, I'll take back with the h pawn. I don't think I'm losing this game by any sort for now. Let's see. The question mark is still there. On my rating. Can I go a6? We will see a6. Then if he takes, I'll take with the queen. Please bear with me for a couple of days, 1 or 2 days maybe, because the audio might not be as good as it was before. Please bear with me. Sorry, my sincere apologies. What can I do? I need to go and get a new adapter for this. Queen c7. We'll try now. The h file is open. One advantage, and now I can direct all my pieces towards his king side. I can give a check, but that will not help out a lot. So I'll go knight to e5. Knight to e5, attacking the bishop, and also in general centralizing the knight. It will control more squares when it is in the center. I will go ahead and remove his pair bishops so that I don't have to worry about them in the upcoming future. Let us see. I'll go attacking because I messed up. My king is not in the optimal position, but we will go ahead and do it. I can just get my king out of the way without worrying a lot. For now, it is pinned, my pawn is pinned, so that is why I can't take it. Next, what is he trying to do? I have to play king g8, I think. Yeah, king g8 will go. Okay, so he went back. f7, let's go. Also controlling this e8 square. And not blunder. Next, g6 is coming up. I don't know what he's preparing. For g6, I think queen to e6 he can play. Might be a decent move in this position. Took there, okay, fine. Fair enough. Seems about right, closing all the ways for him to escape. Now it is a bit of a locked up position. I hope I win this game. 2095 is my rating. Let's see if I can reach 2100. On chess.com, I'm trying to reach 2000 to follow the live streams, which I do at 4 pm daily. Except Sundays. Sundays is a holiday for everyone. Rook there, rook to d8, trying to take the d5 pawn. Simple play. Need to be careful here. He's got plus points somewhere at least. G5, I don't know what he's thinking. G5, maybe rook to h5, d6. Okay. What to do? This is queen trapped or something. G6, attacking the queen. Oh, right, okay, fine. Didn't see that coming. Okay, take the queen. I'm a rook up with time advantage as well. I should be able to win this game. Very nice. Good start. Yes, I won. I increased 76 rating points. So where am I at now? What is my rating? 2171. I think this should be sufficient for the day. I am increasing a lot of rating points, and I am also showing the entire screen. I am not blocking out any parts. The whole screen is visible in front of you. So please have faith in me. I am not doing any unfair means. All my whole screen is visible to you. Thank you so much for watching. Smash like on this video, share it with everyone. Also, please bear with me for a couple of days. Sincere apologies from my side. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.